Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with another video. So in this video I'm going to tell you the setting about how you can balance your Sony A6400 on Ronin SC gimbal. So which I'm gonna show you right now. I already balanced on the gimbal right here, as you can see. So I'll show you all the numbers of the setting for different angles and different position for this setup. So I'm using my Sony A6400 with Sigma 16mm lens f1.4. So this is the setting right now. So as you can see, it's moving pretty good. So yeah, that's the reason I'm making this video, to show you guys how you can set up this gimbal easily. So for the very first setting, if I show you this one, this main plate, the camera itself I put all the way back. The plate has underneath the sign on it says heavy and light, so you have to put this camera on the heavy side. Screw this in. First, with the Ronin SC there is a small this plate you have to put on the camera first. So since the camera is light, the body is light compared to the Canon EOS R camera, the lens is heavy on the front, so that's why it's pretty much all the way back. So if you see the number, it's pretty much on let me see, 3.4. so let me see if the camera can focus. So the very first setting for this plate is 3.4 from this side, which I'm gonna mention in the description also, so you guys can see the actual number of the setup. And the second one is the front. So I'm gonna show you the front plate setting, which is left and right. So the second one is 2.2. Let me zoom in and you guys will see. Hopefully it's in focus. Yep. So right here is gonna be 2.2, the second one, and all these settings I'm gonna mention in the description. So if you're having a problem by looking at in the video, you can just look at the description. Okay, we have 1, 2. The third one is on the side one. So for this setting, it's 1, 2, 5 and 8. So it's 2.8 on here. I'm not sure if the camera can focus there. Let's see, it's pretty dark, so it's not gonna show you right here. So I'm gonna mention for this one also the third setting. I'll call this one third setting is gonna be 2.8 mm, and the very last one is the bottom one for this setting, and it is 1.5 and 7. This one, the very last one, is 1.7 mm. So as you can see, the camera moves flawlessly, left, right, up and down. And if you want to see the vertical shot, I can show you that also, that it is holding the camera pretty good, as you can see, without any issue. Got it. So if it's not proper setup, you know already that this gonna the camera is just gonna move down if it's not set up properly. So go back to the same setting. And one thing to mention, that you, after the setting up this gimbal, you have to connect the gimbal via DJI app, and you have to go to the auto tune setting, which let me show you. So it makes things a little bit easier. So if when you are in the app, come on, focus right here. So you have to click on motor parameters, it's the second one. So you click on that, and then in the bottom you go, it says auto tune. So after setting this up as good as possible, the number I'll show you, That's gonna pretty much perfect. Then you have to click the auto tune, which is gonna set the motor power according to the weight. And if you want to do the balance test, which is right here, the very first option, click on the balance test, and you have to move your gimbal like sideways. Let's say you are on the table, you have to hold it here on the table, like balance. See, the camera is not turning, and then you click on the begin test. So this, what we'll do is, let me show you again. If you can see in the camera, move it here, begin test. As you can see, it's gonna test the angle, side angles on the camera, and then it's gonna, after it's gonna finish the test, it will say the balance is excellent, and then you are good to go. So as you can see in the app, focus, come on, you need to focus. Using the old 50mm lens, and now you can see it says excellent for all the balance, so which means now it's set up properly. So that's about it. If you want to know more settings about this gimbal, you can ask me a question in the comment below, and I will make another video and tell you guys, or maybe I will make the future time lapse with this gimbal and the Canon 50mm f1.4 lens, which I'm using right now on a Canon EOS R. So that, and the gimbal has a special feature with it, which you can set the direction of the gimbal, so it's gonna move slowly to that direction while the camera is recording the time lapse, which is gonna be very nice. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos. If you find this video helpful, and sub to this channel will be appreciated. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.